Troubleshooting for lights not working on an LG refrigerator. Depending on the model, an LG refrigerator has a number of lights on the touch control panel and on the inside. This video will help you troubleshoot if the lights on your LG refrigerator are not working properly. Press the light button to turn on the dispenser light. If the light button is on, the dispenser light will be on. Press the button again to turn the light off. When the change filter light comes on in the control panel, it is time to change the water and air filters. This happens approximately every 6 months. After you have changed the filters, press the button to turn the change filter light off. If your refrigerator was made after March 2020 and the display lights and freezer light are not working, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page to arrange for a technician visit. If your refrigerator is a pre-2020 model, check to make sure the wiring harness in the middle door is connected securely. To do this, fully extend the middle drawer and remove the basket by lifting the basket up from the rail system. Then hold both sides of the door and lift it to remove it from the rail system. Now look into the rear and the right side of the drawer for a disconnected wiring connector. Note that even if it looks connected, it may be loose. Properly reconnect the wiring harness to the connection at the end of the right rail by aligning the two connector ends and pushing them together until you hear a click. The tabs should snap back into place. Tug gently to make sure the connection is secure. Note that you may need to return the drawer without the baskets before making the connection for the drawer to slide properly. Do this by grasping the door on each side and lowering it into place on the rail system. Then pull the drawer open to full extension and lower the basket onto the rail system. Now try pressing the option buttons to see if the touch control panel display and the